Networking professionals, are you tired of squinting in the dark to see your dimly lit server racks? Could your installations use some extra lighting and style? IPCamPower has you covered. Meet our PoE-Powered server rack lighting kit. This kit comes with everything you need to illuminate your server rack without any additional power cables. Just plug it into a PoE switch or injector and you're good to go. And the best part? It looks amazing. You'll instantly have plenty of light to see, and your sweet new server racks will be the envy of the IT department. This kit comes with 3 components: the PoE converter and wireless receiver, the battery-operated light switch, and the 12-inch LED light strip. And setup couldn't be easier. Simply run a network cable from your PoE switch or injector to the IPCamPower PoE receiver. Next, plug the 6-foot-long wires from the light strip into the other end of the receiver. If necessary, these can be cut to your desired length. Finally, program the light switch to the PoE receiver and you're done. Do you want to control your lights with multiple battery-powered light switches? No problem. You can program up to 31 light switches for each PoE receiver. Or maybe you want to use the same battery-powered light switch to control multiple lights. Well, you can do that too, since each light switch can be programmed to an unlimited number of PoE receivers. All pieces come with double-sided tape for easy and clean installation. Stop fumbling in the darkness and order your PoE-powered server rack lighting kit today. See the world of networking in a whole new light with IPCamPower.